Hello, good evening students. Today's transcription number back of 225 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. But that is not enough. I would say that our country has suffered so much for centuries past in the various fields of development and various spheres of life, such as education, health, industry, agriculture, social and political aspects, and so many other things. Of course, that requires greater attention, greater energy, and greater effort to develop to that extent till we have at least made up those deficiencies from which we have been suffering for ages past. I expected in the President's address at least one thing: the future development of the country, the future progress of the country cannot be in a greater and greater degree than what we have already achieved, unless we have one thing, and that thing is our national and emotional integration. Without such integration, we cannot do anything. Let me say, with regard to what was just being referred to by my various friends in the form of various vociferous tendencies and incidents in Assam and in other places. It is all due to lack of national integration. That much of national integration has not been developed as yet amongst us. That sort of national and emotional integration which will strengthen our hands, strengthen our spirit, strengthen our soul, strengthen our national stand, so that we may correct ourselves if such circumstances befall. The fault lies with us. Also, the fault lies with our government. The fault lies with our organization that we did not consider it so important. This question of national integration was not considered so serious as it deserved. I still say that all our efforts will become fruitless unless there is national integration. It will be bankruptcy of administration if we do not pay greater heed and attention to the immediate development of national integration in the country. The country is being integrated in all spheres, in all aspects of life, except this one thing which has got its root where our social and political life has got its root. That root is not being seriously taken into consideration, and that sort of national integration is not being developed. It was developed some time back in the time of Bapuji. In the time of Mahatma Gandhi, that national integration was started. Later on, it was disintegrated. We were expected to look after that. We were expected to carry on that development which was started during the time of Bapuji. You should put down all sorts of anti-national activities. You should put down all sorts of vociferous tendencies and communal background in responsible places. You are to look after the lives of the people of this country.